Hey all, I'm coming at you again from Dollar Tree, and oh my gosh, we have got these. I'm just like, yikes. We have got stuffed marshmallows. Look at this, stuffed puffs. We have it in cookies and cream. Don't those look delicious? Yikes, 8.6 ounce bags. I know I think these are a good deal from what I paid from the big box store when I saw them there. Because it was like $1 on clearance, so this is definitely a good deal. We have the classic milk chocolate. This one is salted caramel. What is down here? Wow, we got a ton of these in. I think these are more cookies and cream. Yeah, cookies and cream, but wouldn't that be good in your hot chocolate? And let's see what else we got over here. We have Pillsbury cake mixes. How many ounces are those? 15.25 ounces. These are a really good deal, y'all. Somebody moved grow kits over here, so we're going to kind of move them out of the way. And have it in traditional chocolate and in Devil's Food, and the frosting right here, chocolate fudge, is 10 ounces. I don't know what a regular size one of those is. Let me know in the comments if you do. But staying right here, Dollar Tree is really bringing it, because look at this. You got the frosting gel tube and the blue frosting, the pink frosting. I'm not seeing colors, but then they have icing gel in pink and light blue. I think that is an awesome deal. They also have these sprinkle mixes. I know that's a really good deal. I looked around the whole time, or the holidays. I can't talk today. But for $1.25, this is a great deal for sprinkles, I think, from what I've seen from my other stores. And oh my goodness. Okay, Barbie lovers, here we go. You have a sprinkling mix for Barbie. That is neat. And then they also have your food color. So I think that is really a great deal for $1.25. And then I just happen to see them in gold. That's interesting. Let's see what else they got over here. Oh, right above me. Okay, right here we have a sprinkle mix. This one is for Princess, and that's for Spring Breeze. So I can see these for Easter. Is those not adorable? Especially that one. And then right beside it, these sugar pearls. Dollar Tree really has stepped it up for the bacon now. Let's see what else they got in store. Okay, they still have some of the Funfetti Pillsbury vanilla frosting. If you're okay with orange, black, and white sprinkles, you don't have to use those, but because look at this, you're getting 15.6 ounces for the same price. So if you don't want to use the sprinkles, leave them out, and you have vanilla frosting for the same price. Now we also have a color mist. This is a food color spray. I have never seen this before, but it's in red and green, and this is 1.5 ounces. Okay, I'm just going to show you a few more things in our bacon aisle that they have stocked over here. But they have the graham cracker pie crust. They have some oils over here, soybean and extra virgin olive oil, some vegetable oil. I'm not seeing any more, but down here we do have vanilla extract. It's imitation, but I'm telling you, you're going to pay a lot more than that. Oh my gosh, we have fruit right here, or fruit. Mama needs her coffee. We literally have the Elf on the Shelf cereal from Kellogg's. This is where I'm going to end my video. This is awesome. If you made it through to this far, leave a purple heart in the comments so I know. And I appreciate y'all, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Till then, y'all stay safe.